Welcome to Crazy Aries Crime Podcast, where we slice and dice those who forget their manners. Anyone's head can be on the chopping block, and I mean anyone. I'm sitting on a train watching this man run up and down this aisle, begging folks for money, and then when they say no, going ham on them. This train is lit, for real, for real. Now, you can never show fear to folks like this.
No.
Well, that's no surprise at all.
Why? Because they feed off of fear. Aries, she don't fear nobody but God.
Okay.
But I am not in the mood, and the NYPD is not on my bucket list. What I plan to do is sit here and enjoy this train ride and mind my merry business as the drama before me unfolds. It didn't take long for a 6 feet roughneck bodybuilder looking like Mike Tyson's twin to hem up Mr. Psycho
Hope.
for scaring a teenage girl for her candy bar. She was crying and now Mr. Psycho was too. Get off of me. I'm NYPD. You under arrest. Cause I'm undercover. I was so tickled. I burst out laughing. And what did I do that for? I said, let him go, Mr. Timberland. He looked at me and blushed and was like, nah, ma, I got you. I said, got me? Let him go. Mr. Psycho ran straight towards me. As people screamed, but I was ready for him and timed his arrival perfectly. I kicked him right in the nuts. Then I took out my pepper spray and sprayed him right in his eyes. Baby, burn, burn, burn. Disco Inferno. The mace began to burn everyone's eyes. Thank God for them as the train doors open. I said I wasn't going to play Captain Save America today. Guess I lied. But what I will stand on is not spending the night at NYPD headquarters. I'm out of here. Did you enjoy this week's Crazy Aries Crime Podcast, where anyone's head can be on the chopping block? And I mean anyone.